everybody. Yes, hello. I've been through puberty. Hello, everybody. My name is Jason, if this is your first time tuning in, and I do unboxings. So in this video, I will be doing an unboxing of more of like a spiritual, new age kind of subscription. If that is something that will interest you or would interest you, then go ahead and stay tuned. All right, so let's get into this box. This is a subscription that I've had for a few months now, and I really have enjoyed the subscription in the past. This is called Mindful Souls, and it comes in a box like this. And it, like I said in the little intro, it's more on the spiritual side or like new age. It usually has like jewelry that's, you know, crystal themed and stuff like that. So when you open up the box, it looks like this. And this box came a little bit later this month. I was getting a little concerned. I emailed the company and they said that they were having issues with one of their items, that they weren't happy with the item that they had gotten for their box, and they weren't willing to ship that out to their customers until the item was to their satisfaction, which is great. I really do appreciate that about the company, that they want to send out quality products. It would have been nice if they had emailed us ahead of time, letting us know what was happening, so that we weren't wondering like, well, I usually have the box by now, what's going on? But anyway, like I said, I appreciate the fact that they want to send quality products out, and that was the issue. I don't know what's in this box yet, so I've only cut it. I just got it today, so let's go ahead. This first thing in here is just a little card, and this card says, "Wishing you mindful holidays. We hope this special box brings you joy and balance. As an extra surprise this Christmas, we're giving away 25% discount store-wide for you and the ones you hold dear. Use this code at checkout. Christmas 25. Love and Light Mindful Souls team." So if you want to go onto their website and you find anything interesting, you want to use that code. All right. And let's look at what they've got in this box. So you get this card, and on the back of the card, they talk about the items that they put in your box. So let's get right into this. With Mindful Souls, they package everything really nice. They've got like these little pouches that they put things in. So it's like opening presents, you know, even though you can see what you're getting here. But let's go ahead and look at what we've got. They always give you some kind of sticker. This sticker this month is this like crystals, which is kind of fun. They always give you an affirmation card. And this one is affirmation for resentment. The more resentment I release, the more love I have to express. That's always good to remember, because holding on to resentment can really affect your health, make you tense, can bring on illness. So it's always better for yourself to just let go and move on, even though it's really hard to do sometimes. So it's always good to have that reminder. Let's look at the first item. I don't know what these are going to be off the top of my head, so we'll just pull them out and then look at the card if we need to. But this first little baggie, I'm going to open up, and let's see what we get. Okay, so this is a bracelet. Oh, this is nice. This almost looks like the planets. Oh, you know what? I think it is. Let's see. I think, see, can you see it this way? So this is fun. It's not very stretchy. I'm hoping there's a way, it looks like there might be a way to loosen it up a little bit, because this is not gonna fit my wrist. But let's look at this. This is Solar System Bracelet. This is a truly stunning, delicate bracelet that celebrates our home in the cosmos, our solar system. Wear a mini version of the entire solar system on your wrist with this awesome solar system bracelet. Each planet is represented by a gemstone bead. The bracelet is made from a selection of lava beads, jade, sandstone, tiger's eye, lapis lazuli, and others. Okay, so again, this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I would wear this if I can find out how to adjust it. I hope it's adjustable. All right, so there's the first item. I like that. Item number 2. Let's see, another little baggie. So we're gonna open this up and let's see what we get in here. Okay, so this is a ring and looks like it's just a lotus flower ring, but it's a wrap ring, which is nice. Oh yeah, well that's really nice. And actually that's a good size. I have a hard time finding rings that fit, and because it's a wrap ring, I feel like it's not gonna get stuck on my finger, and I'm, so, and yes, it's like shiny, but I think this is nice. I'm gonna wear this. Let's look and see what it says about this. This is lotus wrap ring. In Buddhism, the lotus flower is known to symbolize purity of speech, of the body, and of the mind. The major lotus flower symbolism is its association with spiritual awakening or enlightenment. Person's path in life is said to be similar to that of the lotus, starting at the seed stage early in the karmic cycle, through to the bud emerging from the dirty water, representing a person following the path of spirituality and leaving attachments behind, and finally blossoming. This is when a person has become fully awakened and has achieved nirvana. Let the ring, and there's the next item that it's talking about, be a symbol of our awakening journey. All right, I will definitely wear this. Let's go ahead and look at the next item. Let me see if I can find that second item that they're talking about. This might be it. Let me open this one, just because it kind of goes with the ring, even though I probably won't be wearing it. You'll see why. Yeah, here it is. So this is the lotus hair clip. So it's cute. I do have longer hair, but I'm not really a hair clip person, so this will probably not be staying with me, but it's cute. All right, let's move on to the next item, and I'm gonna pull this, let's see, next little pouch here. Sorry about the noise out front. If I haven't already said, I live street level, and I'm in New York, so it's inevitable. All right, this is a necklace, and it's got this stone. I'm not sure, it looks like jade, but it's just on like a cord necklace. Definitely needs to be looser for me. But let's see if I am correct. This is, it's not jade. It's raw green fluorite. Green fluorite crystal is especially powerful for growth and healing on all levels. Green fluorite crystals are also wonderful for neutralizing negative energy, acting as an energy vacuum cleaner for your space. Placing one in your environment helps to restore balance and bring order to any chaos. Green fluorite's ability to connect with the energy of its environment helps it to not only purify, but also raise the vibrations of its settings. Place your crystal in your sacred space, office, or place in your home where you will see it every day. It's pretty, I like it. So, like I said, if I can figure out how to loosen it, I will definitely add it to my collection. But there is that. I've got 2 more items in here, And let's open up this next one. Let's see what this one is going to be. Oops. Interesting, I don't know. Oh, okay. This, I like this a lot. This is, oh, is it broken? I can't tell if it's broken or not. Let's see here. Let's see what the, nope. I think it's only got the one. Okay. So this is a Dreamcatcher pendant, and it's the type that there's another little filter that you can put inside, and you can put like aromatherapy or essential oil drops in there to wear around your neck. So let's see if this, how this opens. Oh, okay. Well, I think it opens from the top. But you just pull it and then put in the little pad, absorbent pad, and add your oils. So this is really nice. I'm definitely excited about this. It's a smaller chain, but it'll work for me. I don't want this dangling too low, so. All right, that one I'm happy with. We have one more item in here, and okay. This is a set of healing chakra stones. So this is gonna come in the last little sack, and let's see here. There's something inside here. I'm curious to know what item was causing the delay. Okay, so this is nice. Inside the bag, in addition to the stones that we get, it gives you this little paper that talks about the different chakras. So for the crown chakra, you get a clear quartz. Brow chakra is amethyst. Throat chakra is the lazurite. Heart chakra is pink quartz and aventurine. Solar plexus chakra is tiger's eye. Sacral chakra, that's a tongue twister. Sacral chakra, anyway, is red jasper. And then you've got, for your root chakra, you've got black obsidian. So these are nice little, I don't want to, if I hold them up too much, they're just going to all tumble out in my hand. But those are nice. It looks like I've got, I think the tiger eye is looking, yeah, the tiger eye almost looked very similar to the black obsidian. So that is actually kind of fun to have as well. So I'm happy with those. Trying to put them back in the bag without them all falling all over the place. That will do it for this box. Again, with the exception of the Lotus hair clip, I am pleasantly surprised with this box. Again, it's one of my preferred non-beauty boxes. So again, this was Mindful Souls, and I will put the information on the cost in the subscription below. This was my, I want to say third or fourth box. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'm happy with it so far. Let me know what you think of the box in the comments below. I'd be curious to see what your comments are. Anyway, that will do it for this video. Again, thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would do that. It doesn't take much to do. Just hit that little subscribe button, and then like the video would also be so nice. Other than that, thank you for joining me. I hope everybody is staying happy and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.